Alright, so if you're following along, what we did was we ran into our first kind of like real big troubleshoot issue, which happened live, and I was trying to show it to you as live as I could. I just wanted to make sure I wasn't doing anything wrong, and I wasn't. This seems to be working. So anyways, let's go back. So we are going to just copy and paste this, and in their, here we go. In their thing, they go, the following images can be used on Place Kitten by adding $image equals n to your request, where n is the number of the image you want. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That counting the other way, of course. So we've got up to 16 images, and I just picked image 1, and image 1 seems to work just fine. So let's go ahead, let's go back and replace this with this, and let's see what we get. There we go. So there we go. So now we have it. So now it's kicking out a specific kitten. But you know, while searching this, of course, I found that there's place kitten, there's place hold it, that there's Sheen holder. So if you want Charlie Sheen as your design, Flickr holder. So if you want more landscapey, pixels. I mean, there's all sorts of things. I can include this link in there, but I'm just going to assume I'll let you guys kind of Google it. You just call them, they're just placeholders, and you can, there's just a ton of them out there that you can find that are open source. They're free to use, all that kind of jazz. So let's use number 3 for the next one. So let's go down here and let's do one more practice run, since the first one was kind of disrupted by that breakup. So now number 3 is right there. So now if we go over, refresh, they are stalking us. This must be wrong. Let me try one more time. Let's copy the image URL. Just paste it. So it may be the fact that how this placeholder works is based off of size. So if you may not have noticed that, and I just kind of did it by accident. So the first one was 452 by 450, and then when we tried number 3, 452 by 450 didn't work. But if we took it straight from the place, which is right click, copy image URL, it was able to work. So I'm guessing maybe the size, maybe if we do a 400 by 400 it will work. Let's find out. Yeah, so let's do 350 and see if it works. Yeah, it seems to work. So it could have been just maybe I did something wrong or I did something by accident. It doesn't, I don't know, but this is now the correct way to do it. So let's go ahead and switch it. Let's save it. Let's go back to refresh, and there we go. So now we've got images in there, so now we're adding just a little bit more pizzazz to our site. Let's go ahead and keep moving forward. Okay, so what we've been doing real briefly is we've been doing the front end side of things, and this is just kind of a break from